Introducing our new Stamperia crafting scissors. Titanium coated and non-stick are a must-have tool for any crafter. The long blades make it really easy to cut out straight lines, and the pointy tip, as well as being very sharp, allows for fuzzy cutting as well. They are non-stick, so you can easily use them with any double-sided tape, foam tape or other sticky materials. You can use them to cut out paper, cardstock and even cardboard. But you can also cut out ribbon, burlap, fabric and other materials. The scissors come with a protective cap, perfect for safe storage and keeping the blades sharp.